welcome to travel blog number 5. Today is the last day at this beautiful hotel, Aquadome. We are exploring the countryside of Tyrol, and as you can see, it's so picturesque. It's absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful day, sun shining. I've already made some really sick drone footage and flown the drone over the Aquadome, which I'll check the footage in the video, and that looks sensational. We'll see what else we can capture. Follow us.
To the Burgenstock hotel from Tyrol, and we decided to stop by this pretty town. As you can see, the lake is absolutely beautiful. I think it's called Murg, M-U-R-G. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but yeah, just check it out. It's absolutely amazing here. Here is our lunch. So I ordered a very massive salad and a fruity dressing, and Gary's got the local sausage with veggies, and this is our view while we're eating lunch. It's quite spectacular.